Top 5 Flying Giants in the World.
Number 1. Antonov An-225 Mriya. Built in 1988 in the Soviet Union, 84 meters long, the largest aircraft carrying over 250 tons. Number 2. Stratolaunch Rock. First flown in 2019 in the USA, with a 117-meter wingspan, the widest aircraft ever. Number 3. Airbus A380. Introduced in 2007 in Europe, 73 meters long, the largest passenger plane, carrying up to 850 people. Number 4. Boeing 747-8. Launched in 2011 in the USA, 76 meters long, a world-famous jumbo jet. Number 5. Hughes H-4 Hercules. Built in 1947 in the USA, with a 97-meter wingspan, it flew only once.